AI is transforming retail, delivering tangible results. Retailers embracing AI are outpacing competitors. Discover how AI impacts personalization, pricing, and supply chains, reshaping the industry landscape. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, GenAI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with GenAI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is BusinessCompassLLC.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. AI-powered personalization boosts customer loyalty by tailoring experiences. Dynamic profiling and behavioral analysis enhance understanding, allowing retailers to predict customer needs and preferences. Real-time recommendations adapt to customer needs, offering products based on current context. This approach increases sales and customer satisfaction, creating a seamless shopping journey. AI optimizes pricing by analyzing market demand and competitor actions. Dynamic pricing strategies maximize profits while maintaining competitiveness in a rapidly changing market. Competitor monitoring and customer analysis refine pricing strategies, ensuring retailers stay ahead. AI-driven insights allow for quick adjustments, enhancing profitability. AI enhances demand forecasting and inventory management, reducing costs and improving efficiency. Automated reordering and supplier analytics streamline operations. Logistics optimization through AI reduces delivery costs and improves service. Predictive analytics ensure products reach customers swiftly and reliably. Generative AI crafts tailored product descriptions, enhancing customer engagement. Personalized email campaigns drive interaction, while virtual assistants improve service quality. AI-powered chatbots provide 24/7 support, handling inquiries efficiently. Visual search and voice commerce offer innovative shopping experiences, meeting diverse customer needs. AI generates compelling marketing content, boosting conversions. Personalized social media and email campaigns adapt to customer segments, enhancing engagement and driving sales. Content tailored to customer preferences increases relevance and impact. AI's adaptability ensures marketing efforts resonate with diverse audiences, maximizing effectiveness. Intelligent chatbots offer 24/7 support, enhancing customer service. Visual search and voice commerce streamline shopping, providing consistent, multilingual assistance. AI ensures seamless customer interactions, improving satisfaction. By integrating advanced technologies, retailers offer innovative solutions that meet evolving consumer expectations. AI is key to unlocking growth and efficiency in retail. Start small with AI tools to enhance your business, gradually expanding as you see results. The future of retail is here, driven by AI advancements. Embrace these technologies to stay competitive and meet rising customer expectations. Recap: AI transforms retail through personalization, pricing, and supply chain innovations. By adopting AI, retailers enhance customer experiences and operational efficiency. Takeaway: by integrating AI, you'll drive growth and customer satisfaction. Start small, focus on key areas, and watch your business thrive. Call to action: explore AI tools today. Begin with customer service chatbots or personalization features. Together, let's shape the future of retail. Join the AI revolution and transform your retail business. Embrace innovation, enhance customer experiences, and achieve new levels of success. Take action now. implement AI solutions, and lead the way in the retail industry. The future is bright, and it's powered by AI.